Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best TS8322 ink is probably one of the most essential supplies for your Canon TS8322 printer, ensuring vibrant and high-quality prints every time. Whether you're printing photos, documents, or creative projects, the right ink cartridges can make a significant difference in the final result. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Canon TS8322 ink, exploring everything you need to know to make the best choice for your printing needs. Number 5. Easy Ink Compatible Canon TS8122 Ink Cartridges. Introducing the Easy Ink Compatible Ink Cartridges for your Canon TS9120 printer. This combo pack is designed to deliver exceptional print quality and performance. It's the perfect choice for all your printing needs. This 6-pack includes one large black, one small black, and one each of photo blue, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. These cartridges are specifically designed to work seamlessly with your printer, providing vibrant and accurate colors. These ink cartridges are compatible with a range of Canon Pixma printers, including TS8120, TS9120, TS8220, and TS8322 models. You can easily install them and start printing right away. Enjoy impressive page yields with these cartridges. The photo blue cartridge yields up to 9,140 pages, the large black up to 600 pages, the small black up to 6,360 pages, and the color cartridges up to 830 pages each. This ensures long-lasting performance. The cartridges feature high-quality smart chips for stability and reliability. They accurately monitor ink levels and support plug-and-play functionality. This ensures a smooth and hassle-free printing experience. We offer a 24-month product guarantee and technical support. If you have any issues with the ink cartridges, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This ink cartridge features high-quality smart chips for stable and reliable printing. They precisely monitor ink levels and support plug-and-play functionality. If you want a hassle-free printing experience with accurate ink level monitoring, then this is a great choice for you. What people say. The printer is easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent. The printer has a nice design. Number 4. Canon 280-281 Ink Cartridges Replacement 6-pack. Introducing premium replacements for your Canon 280 and 281 ink cartridges. These cartridges feature a patented structure and premium refill ink, ensuring vivid colors and clear text in every print. These ink cartridges are highly compatible with a wide range of Canon printers, including the TR8620A, TS9120, TS8120, TS8220, TS8322, and many more. They are designed to work seamlessly with your existing printer setup. Get more from your printing with high-yield ink cartridges. The PGBK cartridge can print up to 600 pages, while the photo blue cartridge yields up to 9,160 pages. The small black cartridge yields 6,360 pages, and color cartridges yield up to 830 pages based on 5% coverage. The package includes 6 cartridges, one large black, one photo blue, one black, one cyan, one magenta, and one yellow. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the colors you need for your printing tasks. These replacement cartridges are manufactured under strict quality control. They adhere to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, ROHS, REACH, and MSDS standards, guaranteeing reliability and performance. What we like. This replacement ink prints vivid colors and clear text thanks to its premium refill ink. It also offers a high page yield, meaning you get more prints for your money. If you are looking for a reliable ink with excellent print quality and great value, consider this one. What people say. The printer is easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent. The printer has a nice design. Number 3. Starink Canon TS9122 Ink Cartridge Replacement 12-pack. Tired of expensive ink? These cartridges are a perfect replacement for your Canon printer. They offer excellent quality and are easy to install. This 12-pack is compatible with a wide range of Canon Pixma printers. It works seamlessly with your printer, ensuring hassle-free printing. Get more out of every cartridge. This ink is designed for high-volume printing, offering a cost-effective solution for all your printing needs. Installing these cartridges is a breeze. The design ensures instant recognition and reliable performance, so you can start printing right away. Experience vivid colors and clear text. The patented cartridge structure and premium ink deliver outstanding print quality every time. It's a great choice for all your printing needs. What we like. This product comes in a 12-pack, including photo blue, perfect for high-volume printing needs. The cartridges are also easy to install. If you need a large quantity of ink and want to ensure you have the photo blue, this is the perfect option. What people say. The printer consistently delivers high-quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp details. The ink cartridges are easy to install and replace. The printer's wireless connectivity is reliable, allowing for seamless printing from various devices. Number 2. Starink 280-281 Ink Cartridges. Introducing Starink 280-281 Ink Cartridges. They feature a patented cartridge structure and premium refill ink, ensuring vivid colors and clear text in every print. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon printers, including the TS8322, TS9120, and TR8520 series. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing printer setup. Get more out of every cartridge. The 280XXL and 281XXL ink replacements offer a high page yield, allowing you to print up to 600 pages with the large black ink and up to 9,160 pages with the photo blue ink, based on 5% coverage. The package includes 8 packs of ink cartridges. You'll receive 3 large black cartridges, along with photo blue, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. Starink cartridges are manufactured under strict quality control. They adhere to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, RHS, REACH, and MSDS standards, ensuring reliable performance. What we like. This ink cartridge includes photo blue and offers a high page yield. It is compatible with a wide range of Canon printers. If you want to ensure you have the photo blue and need a reliable ink with excellent print quality, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The printer is easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent. The printer has a touchscreen display. Number 1. Canon CLI 281 Combo Pack for TS series printers. This is a genuine Canon ink combo pack. It ensures optimal performance for your Canon printer. You can rely on it for high-quality prints. This combo pack is compatible with TS9120, TS8120, TS8220, TS8322, and TS6322 printers. It's designed to work seamlessly with these models. This ensures a hassle-free printing experience. The pack includes black ink. It's essential for printing text and other monochrome documents. The ink delivers crisp and clear results. With this genuine Canon ink, you get exclusive access to Creative Park Premium content. This provides you with extra creative resources. You can enhance your printing projects. The pack comes with 20 sheets of 5x5 photo paper. It's perfect for printing your favorite photos. It ensures your photos look their best. What we like. This is a genuine Canon ink combo pack. It provides optimal performance and offers exclusive access to Creative Park Premium content. If you want the best possible print quality and access to Canon's premium content, you should choose this. What people say. The printer is easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent. The printer has a nice design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.